So right now is actually a good time to talk about Minterm and Maxterm. So what are they and what are they good for? Well, if we start with, let's start with the truth table, right? Like so. Let's suppose that we have a certain function and we already have the truth table, our truth table. So we A, B, C, and our output. So if we have something like all the possible combinations, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. What we're going to have is a certain output. Let's suppose we have something like this, like I don't know, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, all the way down to here. Let's suppose we have a certain function with this truth table. So what's a mean term? Well, a mean term is if you look at where you got to, first of all, you got to look at where the output of the function is 1 to make a mean term, okay? And all those outputs here are 1. And now when you make a mean term, you basically see, and you put a not on each letter if it's 0, and you put the letter itself if it's 1. So in this case, I'm going to use the mean term, and the mean term is going to be A naught, okay, times B, because it's 1, times C, because it's 1. Here, we're going to have A, which is 1, so A times B naught, because it's 0, times C naught, because it's 0. Here, we're going to have A again, because it's 1, times B naught, because it's 0, times C, because it's 1. We're going to have A again, because it's 1, B, because it's 1, and C naught, because it's 0. And again, all of these here are 1, so we get A times B times C. Now, we have all those mean terms, right? And if we AND them together, we get all the mean term of this function here. So if we say, okay, then we're going to have A naught times B times C plus, we plus them together, A times B naught times C naught plus A times B naught times C plus A times B times C naught plus A times B times C. So those are our mean term. And we can do the exact same thing, but with the max term. So if we just put E here, like something to divide it, and we say, okay, now what if I want to do the same with the max term? Well, for the max term, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to look at where the function is actually 0. And we can see that the function is actually 0 here at the very top. Then we can say, okay, the max term are going to be, we're going to have to look and put an A or B or C when they are with a 0, and a not if they are with a 1, and we're going to put all them together with a plus. So the max term in this case for this expression is going to be A, because A is 0, plus B, because B is 0, plus C, because C is 0. Down here we're going to have A plus B plus not C, because C is 1, and here we're going to have A plus not B plus C, and we can group them together by basically multiplying them. So basically you will have the final expression given by A plus B plus C times A plus B plus C naught times, well, I should really put parentheses here, A plus B naught plus C. So here, as I said, on top here, those are the Maxterm, and here, down here, we have the Minterm. So remember, those here are the Maxterm. We're going to look at when the output is 0, and I'm going to put the same letter connected with a plus if they are 0, and with a naught if they are 1. With the Minterm, you're going to do the opposite. You can look at the letter and put the letter if it's 1 and a naught if it's 0, and then connect them all together with a basically multiplication. So yeah, that's I think that's pretty much it about Minterm and Maxterm. So yeah, that's pretty much it.